All right, hello, AP Computer Science students. Today is Friday, December 4th, and what you're working on today is just completing the Chapter 4 test. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. It's just in the folder. The test should be open now as of me posting this video. There is a time on the test. It is 70 minutes long. Shouldn't probably take that long, but I did give you 70 minutes to do it. Just a reminder too, the programming exercises are due Sunday midnight. And then also make sure to get in that practice test and the AP site questions from Tuesday of this week, right? They'll help you be ready for the test. So if you haven't done those, I would finish those up prior to taking the test. They'll help you be ready. And if you have any questions about any of the assignments and stuff, reach out. I'm around today. I'm free all day today. I can go on Google Meet and help or make a help video. So if you need any help preparing for the test or finishing up any of the assignments, let me know. That's what I'm here for is to help. So, all right, that is all. Have a good day and have a happy weekend. Bye.